In this video, we'll see an overview of the integration process between Alaan and Oracle NetSuite. To begin, select the Oracle NetSuite option, then click on Continue. Here, the expense account and tax codes will be imported to Alaan, which will then be mapped with the expense category and tax codes. The account statement, card expenses, and receipts will be exported to Oracle NetSuite. To proceed, click on Connect with Oracle NetSuite. You will then be redirected to the Oracle NetSuite page. To enable API functionality for data exchange with Oracle NetSuite, specific bundle needs to be installed and certain settings need to be enabled. To do this, click on the Account Link Bundle option. Enter your administrative credentials and log in. You'll be redirected to a new page where you'll need to install. After installation, you'll be redirected again. Click on Update. Once the bundles are installed, you'll see an updated status indicating the installation is complete. This process may take about 5 to 10 minutes. While waiting, you can return to the previous tab and click Next. The next step is to enable the required features. Enabling the SuiteCloud feature allows Alaan Test to connect with your NetSuite account. To do this, navigate to the SuiteCloud tab and enable the corresponding features. Click on this option to enable all the features. Once you've enabled all the features, click on Save. Afterwards, return to this page and click on Next. The third step is to confirm the setup. Here, you'll need to verify whether your bundles are installed. To check again, click on Installed Bundles page option. Please note that the installation status may be pending for a while. It takes 5 to 10 minutes of time to get completed. Click on Refresh option to check them. Once the status shows as completed, you can proceed. Once that is done, mark this checkbox to confirm you have successfully followed all the steps. Then, click on Continue. Application Uplink will request access to your account. Click on Allow to continue. If necessary, you can also change any other accounts at this stage. Click on Allow to grant access. Now, once the synchronization is complete, proceed to the next step. Before moving forward, you need to select the NetSuite subsidiary. Click on the drop-down menu and choose the subsidiary you wish to connect with. Then proceed to the next step. The upcoming step is about tax codes. Here, we import tax codes from Oracle NetSuite and map them with corresponding accounts. Please note, any existing tax codes in Alaan will be deleted. To proceed, click on Import Tax Codes. By clicking Yes, Confirm, you are allowing Alaan to disable all pre-existing tax codes and import tax codes from Oracle NetSuite. To proceed, click Yes, Confirm. Here are the tax codes listed with tax name, tax code, tax rates, and statuses. Next, we move to the expense accounts. Import your expense accounts from Oracle NetSuite. Map these accounts with the corresponding expense categories and tax codes to enable a simple synchronization of expenses. To continue, click on Import Accounts. By clicking Yes, Confirm, you are allowing Alaan to replace all existing GL accounts with the expense accounts we import from NetSuite. To proceed, click Yes, Confirm. Here, you need to map the expense accounts required to export a Alaan card expense to at least one category. Remember, you can add as many categories as you'd like to map. To add a new category, simply click on this option. Now, let's map company-related expenses to an expense account. These expenses will be mapped with the default tax code, Tax 0. Now, let's map another category, HR-related expenses, with the expense account for meals and entertainment. This will be mapped with the default tax code of VAT5. Remember, you can map the rest of the category names later in the settings. To proceed, click on the Next button. The next step is to create a bank account on Oracle NetSuite. If you don't already have an account for Alaan on Oracle NetSuite, you can create one. Alternatively, you can select an existing bank account as well. For this demonstration, we'll be selecting an existing bank account and connecting Alaan to it. To proceed, click on the Next button. Once the account setup is complete, you are ready to review and export your spending in Alaan from the accounting view. You can manage any changes anytime in your settings. To complete the process, click on Finish. You will now see that the Oracle NetSuite integration has been completed. You can also view this in the Settings page, where it shows that the integration has been successful. If you wish to export any expenses from Alaan to Oracle NetSuite, navigate to the Accounting tab. Next, navigate to the Expense to Prepare tab and select the expense that you want to export. For instance, Turtle Cafe. Click on the expense and fill out all the mandatory fields. Finally, check and approve the expenses. Override them if necessary. Once everything is approved, select the expense and click to mark the expenses as ready. You will find the expenses marked as ready in the Ready to Export tab. Let's take a look at them in Ready to Export tab. Select the expense you want to export and proceed with the export. The exported expense can be viewed in a Exported Expense tab. Navigate to the Exported Expense tab to check the status of the exported expense. The status will be shown as through Alaan. To verify the expenses that have been exported from Alaan to Oracle NetSuite, log in to Oracle NetSuite. Use your administrative credentials for the login. Once logged in, navigate to the Transactions tab. In the Transactions tab, navigate to Financial and then to Make Journal Entries list. Here, you can see all the expenses that have been exported from Alaan to Oracle NetSuite. They are listed along with the date, document number, name, account status, memo, currency, and amount. The expense that we have exported from Alaan to Oracle NetSuite is this one. To view them, simply click on the specific transactions. You can see them here. Just click on this option to view transactions details. Here you can see all the details such as entry, currency, exchange rate, date, posting period, memo, and many more. If you need to verify any receipts that have been uploaded, navigate to the Files section and verify them. Now, if you need to make changes in integration, navigate back to the Alaan web portal. Navigate to the Settings tab and perform any required changes. For instance, if you want to change the account, click on this option and modify the bank account. If you want to enable vendor mapping, click on this option and do the same. If you want to disconnect, simply click on this option and disconnect. And that's all. Thank you.